Okay, so today we are going to be learning about place value and understanding how to compare two three-digit numbers. So that would be numbers in the hundreds, the tens, or the ones place. Um, we're going to decide if numbers are greater than each other, equal to each other, or less than each other. So I found a fun game on the internet, and it's a game called Comparing Number Values. So this is the
Raceway
game.
number values.
We're going to press go.
Select a game and level and press next.
And since we're just working with whole numbers, we're just going to do the first one. And then we are going to go to medium level because that's what the hundreds are.
Compare the values
We're
in
gonna
the
pick,
orange boxes. Place the sign on the question mark that makes the statement true.
Okay.
Get 5 in a row correct to play the bonus game.
Okay. So we're going to look at these two numbers and decide which one, or decide between if they're equal to each other or if one's greater than the other or less than the other. So we have 427. On this side, we have 481. Well, if you look at the first, at the hundreds place, they're both the same, 4 and 4. So we're going to look at the second, the tens place, so the second number, 2 and 8. We can figure out that 8 is bigger than 2. So we're going to do this. That is going to mean that 481 is bigger than 427. So let's see if that's right. Yep. All right. 610 and 472. This one is going to be a little bit easier because if we look at the first, at the hundreds place, 6 and a 4. We can easily make out that 6 is bigger than the 4, so we're going to do greater than. Okay. We have 926 and 181. Look at the first spot. So then hundredths place, there's a 9, there's an 8. We realize that the 9 is bigger than, the 9 and the 1. We realize that the 9 is going to be bigger than the 1, so we're going to make this greater than. $398 and 777. Look at the hundreds place. We have a 3 and we have a 7. We know that 7 is bigger than 3. So 398 is going to be less than 777. Yep, that's correct. Okay, we have 512 and 253. Look at the hundred spot, 5 and a 2. The 5 is bigger than the 2. So 512 is greater than 253. Okay, we can play the bonus game if we would like.
Bonus game. Collect all the odd numbered coins.
Okay, so yes, we're just gonna do that part. But so now that you see
Raceway number values.
Here, I'll exit out. So now that you see that game, I really wanted students to learn, like in a fun way, how to compare three-digit numbers. So I just clicked on the abcya.com game, and it was a fun game, and we learned about place value and how to compare the two numbers. And I think that that had to show, I would say, engagement, especially because the students were really interested. I feel like they would be interested in the game more than just doing a worksheet. It keeps them motivated, and yeah, so thank you.